Welcome to my channel Gadgets Lab. Earnings disclaimer. Blue GINKGO over the sink colander, expandable basket colander for kitchen, Korean-made strainer, rinse, drain, dry, adjust 14 to 19 inches, gray. Multipurpose, easy to use and versatile. Stretch over your kitchen sink to rinse veggies and fruit, drain pasta, thaw frozen food, or use as a dish rack to air dry utensils, cups and small plates. It's also comfortable to hold in hand and can be used on your counter as a basket. No matter how you use it, we think you'll love this colander's versatility. Modern design, adjustable, this colander expands from 14 to 19 inches to hold more or less, save space when not in use and fit most sinks. When stretched over the sink, the bottom is raised from your sink base, preventing drained pasta water from backing up into your food. Rinse, drain, dry. Evenly spaced holes on the bottom of the basket helps prevent food from falling down the drain and increase airflow when drying small utensils and cups. BPA-free, this plastic colander. Thanks for watching and subscribe.